I'm leaving. How do you feel? Are you
Very
sad?
sad.
You're happy. First, so this is how my friends are planning to help me out. Hi guys, what is up? So if you all do not know who I am, hi guys, my name is Mansi and this is my YouTube channel. So today is the day one of moving out and I have all the stuff right here that I'm gonna be taking with me. And yeah, I still don't have like a lot of furniture, although I got this work table yesterday from a local shop and I got a pretty good deal on it. It looks pretty nice. So that, and I have Rohan to help me out with. I don't think he's really helping me out here, but yeah, I have him to help me out with the moving, and a driver is gonna come now and they're gonna help us move. So yeah, let's do it. Thing that I have to take, and I guess he wants to be a part of it. I hope you wanna come with me to the new place. You wanna come? He clearly loves the camera. And here we have a kid. Okay, that's so cute. Burst the
What's up?
That's the cute little plant which I really love. Our phones are also in that power.
What is it? I'm what?
Clumsy. Hi mom, I'm leaving. How do you feel? Are you
Very
sad?
sad.
You're happy. You look happy. So this is my moving outfit. Really comfy. I like it. So this is where we are at right now. I'm sorry if my voice is very echoey. So we also set up that work table there and he's doing his work, and we were just opening up some packages, there's chocolates and everything. And now we've ordered some food. We're gonna eat that. I've ordered Burger King. I nowadays really like it actually. So yeah, that and I don't know if I can set up much today because I still have to sweep the whole house because it's really dusty, because no one used to live here before. This is like a fresh flat, and I also have to wipe the whole house out. So I don't think I can set up much today, although I think I'll do a little shoot because I think I have like a space where there isn't much furniture, a lot going on, and I hope that it's not too cloudy. Yeah, and I hope it's not too cloudy today so that I can get the golden hour light to shoot. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll see you guys. Progress that we have made till now, we decided to shift the table over here. Initially my plan was to keep it over there, but I think when you sit here the view is a lot prettier, so we shifted the seating over here. This I got from my house because I will miss my house, so it's some yade, and this is what the whole mess is looking like right now. So this is how my friends are planning to help me out. They are so invested in this. I love it. Sumiran, how are you planning to help out? Oh, look who's here. Beauty. Good job. On the other hand, we have these people. The vibe is such. He came just from his practice. That's Anishta is eating. Meanwhile, Sumiran is being a good girl and
सारा खाना मिलेगा इसका लिए करना। दीदी आप ठीक से नहीं कर रही
ये देखो यहाँ पर रह गया, ये देखो यहाँ पर रह गया।
भी साफ करूंगी, आप साफ ही नहीं कर रहे बराबर। भाई चिकन सैंडविच खिलाएंगे तो सब अच्छे
Do photo shoot. I'll do a photo shoot like this.
मैंने इतना काम किया, अभी मैं झाड़ू पोछा भी कर रही हूँ। ये कुछ नहीं करती है, सिर्फ खाने आती है, सिर्फ बड़ी बड़ी बातें करती है। यूजलेस गर्ल, वी डोंट लाइक हर, नॉट यू ऑल।
Okay, hello. So today is the day 2 of moving out, and actually I'm not gonna do too much today because I have a lot of work pending and a lot of deadlines. So I thought I should, get that done today. So I came here in the morning. I did some jharu pocha because again, I don't know, I've just become like a cleanliness freak and there is so much dust over here. It's kind of like irritating. So yeah, I did some of the cleaning and I did my makeup, as you can clearly see, because I'm gonna shoot some reels and create some content because I've been so busy. I haven't gotten time to do that for a while, so I'm gonna focus on creating as much content as I can and get as much work as I can done today. So mom has sent me lunch in this little bag, so I'm just gonna sit and eat my lunch right now and watch something. There's no Wi-Fi here yet, by the way. I need to get that fixed. I'm sorry about the construction noises around. I'm really, really sorry. I cannot help it. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat and then see you guys. So for lunch today we have paneer and I think mushroom ki sabzi. Then we have some rotis here and we have dal rice right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Today is the day 3 of me moving out and I'm already at the place, as you can see. And by the way, today is exciting because we have some guests coming in to help me out with the moving. Sham is gonna come. You might have seen him in my old video when I'd gone to Virar to shoot. So he is coming and his friend and my friend Sunny is also coming to help me out. I'm really excited. This is the first time they're gonna come here and yeah. Hello, that is Sunny. This is Travis.
Hi.
That's Sham. Hi.
What's up?
That's Hope Bakre.
होप नहीं बोलेगा है
I said
बोल बोल बजरंग जा रहा है हाथ चालू कर मानसी
oh, see, nice.
निकलेगा निकल
नहीं ये अच्छा है,
निकल?
अच्छा हाँ. नहीं. Thanks.
हो गया
Thanks.
शुक्रिया अंदर तेरी की
अनबॉक्सिंग बोल
Dude, wipe your camera. Hi guys, so I am editing the vlog right now. I forgot to film an outro, classic Mansi. So I hope you guys enjoyed this moving out vlog. There are more such videos coming up, and yeah, our house tour will be also up very soon. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful. Bye.